Miele dishwashers featuring Flexi timer with EcoStart. Put variable electricity tariffs to work to your advantage. When loading a dishwasher at, say, 7 p.m., simply select the time at which the cycle should be complete, for example, at 9 the following morning. Working on the basis of electricity tariffs which are programmed into the controls once, EcoStart determines that midnight is the most suitable starting time. The calculation is based on the cheapest tariff, taking the finishing time into consideration. This protects the environment and saves money. Flexi timer with EcoStart both protects the environment and saves money.